but didn't even get an order till like, oh my God, I just got my first bad offer, $9.75 for 12 miles at Wingstop. Go ahead and look at it in all its beauty. Order number 4, I'm about to be mad as hell. Oh my God. 12 miles? How is you even able to order Wingstop from 12 miles away? What the hell? Oh, nah, bro. These people dumb. Leave at door. 12 miles away, bro. That's a 25-mile round trip. I gotta drive 25 miles for $9. 25 miles for $9. Boy, this is absolutely dumb. This is absolutely dumb. I thought up. Order number 4. God damn. Doordash? God damn. This is crazy. This is crazy. 12 miles? 12 miles, Doordash. Really? This is crazy. This is a 25-mile round trip. After I drop this order off, I'll be at $25. So now I gotta add 25 miles to all the mileage on the orders I took previous to this. And we was doing good. We was doing good. We was making $2 for every mile we was driving. We was doing good. And then they had to send me this dumb-ass order. This one order just took away all the profit I just made. I made $16.75 on the 3 orders I did. And this one order is finna take away all that profit because this is a 25-mile round trip. Now I gotta put the whole $25 that I'm about to make in the gas tank because of this one order. This is crazy. This is dumb as hell. This is the dumbest thing ever, man. Why? Why are you able to order from 12 miles away? That's not even in my zone. That's a whole nother zone. It should say, no, you are too far away. You cannot order from this merchant. That's what the consumer app should tell the customer. It should say no. It shouldn't even pop up as a place that they can order from. But if they search it up, it should say no. You are out of the delivery radius for this merchant. If you want this, you're going to have to pay an extra $10 up front. That's what it should say. This is absolutely crazy, y'all. I'm pissed now. So now we was doing good for that little 30 minutes. And now we just got one order that's finna take us a full hour. Wow. Good job, Doordash. Good freaking job. Yep, we have made it. The good old wing spot where they got them wings that go 10 miles away. Lord Jesus. And I see 2 bags sitting up there on the counter right now. I hope one of them is mine because I ain't trying to be waiting on this order. I'm really not. At least they had it ready, man. Good God. Good God, man. Of course it's going to be ready. Everybody else didn't decline this damn order. Shit, it better be ready. Oh, my God, man. I can't believe DoorDash got me out here driving 12 miles away. I cannot believe this, y'all. Hit that like button and that subscribe button for my pain and misery. If nothing else, for my pain and for my misery. Please. And look at this. Look at this. This order is going 10 miles away. I'm about to lose my mind. I'm about to lose my mind. These customers are literally. Now, ain't no way this food finna still be good. I'm driving the speed limit. I promise you, I'm driving the speed limit. I ain't going no faster. And I ain't, look. These wings finna be soggy as hell. This bag finna fall apart by the time I get there. There's gonna be so much grease built up in the bag. This is crazy. Boy, this is crazy work right here. Alright, so I'll see y'all in 15 minutes once we get to... This how you know when you on a bad delivery. Look at this, look. Look at this. Ain't no street lights. Ain't no sewers. Ain't no sidewalk. This is crazy. I still got 6 miles to go. This is the order that I didn't want to see. This is the order that I was dreading. Look at this. Look where I'm at. Look where I'm at. And these people got the audacity to order Wingstop. They got the audacity. Ain't no way. Look at this. Nothing but corn. All you see is dried up corn on the left and the right. This is crazy. Now, what kind of clown-ass, raggedy soul Doordash customer wants some soggy wings from 10 miles away? You may be asking yourself, well, don't you worry, because we pulling up right now. These raggedy bastards, bro. This order was sitting on the rack. I know the base pay gonna be high on this order. I ain't never been out here in my whole life, y'all. Never, ever. I'm gonna have to hit the navigation just to get back home. This is absolutely crazy. I mean, just why? This the fucking house? Which one is it? Yeah, it's this damn house. Man, bump the customer. Bump the customer at this point. These customers got me messed up, man. 12 miles away. What the hell? 12 miles away. These people live in a whole nother hemisphere, damn near. Silly ass. All right. Bro, y'all just don't understand how many cuss words run through my brain when I be at these people's door. I just be wanting to unload the cuss words. Like, bruh, look at this. Look how far away I am. $6.75 base pay. Look at the base pay on this order. That's 3 times the normal base pay amount. That's how you know these customers is trash, bro. These people is trash. I ain't never been out here in my whole life. These customers are straight trash, yo. This order had $6.75 base pay. That's crazy. For Wingstop, bro. That order been sitting there for like an hour. Probably longer than that. Oh, man. Bro, look how far I am away from my zone. Just look. Look at that. Bro, I ain't never been dashing and been this far away from where I'm dashing at. I ain't never in my whole life, bro. I'm about to straight lose my mind. I'm about to straight lose my mind out here. I literally got to hit navigation just to figure out how to get back. That's crazy. I got a 17-minute drive back to the nearest merchant. Bro, y'all about to chill with me. This about to be a long video. This is crazy, boy. And then the people out here don't even know how to drive. It's 50 miles an hour on this road. They just pulling out in front of you. Boy, I'm straight hot. I'm straight hot. I just basically made 25 bucks. I'm at $26.50. I'm at $26.50 and I've been out here for 2 hours. And I got a damn 10-mile drive back, bro. They literally, I gotta put this whole $26.50 in the gas tank. Doordash, you straight trash for that. You trash for allowing that trash customer to place an order so far away. I'm in a whole nother zone. I'm in a whole nother zone. It need to be parameters on the zones for the customers. How you gonna have the dashers inside of zones that they can dash in? I can only accept orders inside of these borders of this zone. But the fucking customer can order from outside of the zone? But you ain't paying no out of zone pay? How did that make sense? How did that make sense? Well, hey trader, the base pay was $6.75. The base pay normally $2. What the hell? That's still not good. That's still a bad order. Bro, I got a 15-minute drive. I got 10 miles to go.